Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Infiniti Q60 and the Chevrolet Camaro. We'll explore their unique characteristics, helping you decide which performance coupe best suits your style. The Q60 emphasizes refined power and comfort, while the Camaro focuses on aggressive performance and a visceral driving feel. We'll delve into their engines, handling, and overall driving dynamics to give you a clear picture of each vehicle's strengths. Moving inside, the Infiniti Q60 presents a more upscale environment, featuring soft-touch materials and a dual-screen infotainment system that feels sophisticated. In contrast, the Chevrolet Camaro's interior is designed with performance in mind, offering a more minimalist, driver-centric layout. While both provide comfortable seating for two, the Q60 leans towards luxury, and the Camaro prioritizes an engaging cockpit experience with its intuitive controls and available performance displays. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Infiniti Q60 offers a more refined and comfortable ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes or longer road trips. Its handling is precise, but it prioritizes comfort over aggressive track performance. The Chevrolet Camaro, however, is built for excitement, with a stiffer suspension and more direct steering that truly shines on winding roads or at the track. Practicality also varies, with the Q60 generally offering slightly more usable rear seating and trunk space. Finally, let's consider value and ownership. The Infiniti Q60 often comes with a higher initial price point, but offers a premium experience and strong resale value. Its maintenance costs are generally in line with other luxury coupes. The Chevrolet Camaro, on the other hand, provides excellent performance for its price, with various engine options and trim levels to fit different budgets. Both cars offer reliable performance, but their ownership experiences cater to different priorities. Be sure to check the description for a link to these meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.